The red circle is where I caught the fish.
Now, normally I reel my fish ends. And let it work. So let's see if I can do this without losing this one. This is a decent fish. So I want to get him on. There we go. I want to, when I have a bigger fish on, I want to work it on the line, let my drag do the work. And then all I try to do is just keep my tip up. Dang, ooh, nice fish, jeez. I'll take this one. Hadn't seen it yet. Let's see if I keep it away. Really? Let's see if I can get it away from my, seriously? Okay, this is special. That's reality though, sometimes they'll do that. Oh yeah, nice fish. Ooh, nice. This is a real fish right here. I'm gonna do my best to get this one in. We'll wear him out a little bit. I'm gonna try to swing him around some. Let's see if we can get him. Oh yeah, oh come on. Would you do that? There we go. Oh, yeah. There we go. There he goes. Nice job.